Deep in the Karakoram Mountains of Pakistan resides the most diverse flora and fauna on planet Earth. Located in the ever-gorgeous Hunza Valley, Hasanabad is a mountain village that feeds a population of nearly 1,500 residents, sustaining their livelihoods on agriculture and livestock rearing. Agriculture in these mountains is mostly dependent on the glaciers, which provide fresh water and the essential ecosystem services. Out of the many glaciers in the vicinity, Shishpa is the one that has been knocking on our doors. Spanning around 25 square kilometers, the glacial meltwater gives life to various ecosystems. However, due to climate change, the Shishpa Glacier is actively surging since 2016 and testing the resilience of these mountain communities. The debris from the glacier blocks the glacial melt, aiding in the formation of a 650 meters long glacial lake that poses a great risk to the valley. The glacial lake outburst floods of 2019 and 2020 resulted in great loss of livelihood, damaging the mighty Karakoram highway, submerging the irrigation channels, and resulting in massive land degradation.
और यहाँ पे जो पिछले साल जो सैलाब आई थी उसकी वजह से, उस सैलाब की वजह से हमारे जो ज़मीनें हैं, मकानात थे, जो हमारा पूरा एरिया जो है वो ख़तरे में पड़ गया है।
2020 में जो सैलाब आया, 35 घंटे सैलाब आए तो तमाम हसनाबाद नाले के नज़दीक ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले मुतासरीन बहुत बुरी तरह मुतासिर हो गए।
According to the Pakistan Meteorological Department, the Shishpa Glacier is surging by 4 to 5 meters every day, exposing the snout of the glacier to high temperatures and hindering the daily livelihoods of locals. The district administration has been declaring a state of emergency around Shishpa Lake and Hasanabad since the last 3 years.
دیم وقت لو اولاد انزکا در پدر نمی منین عملو که مالنگلو ایشو مطلو بسنگلو می گزارت من
बिजली की को जो जितने प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो सारे ख़राब हो गए हैं। हमारे पीने का पानी इस वक्त हमारे पास मैसर नहीं है और हमारे लिए जो सैराबी जो हमारी खेतीबाड़ी के लिए पानी की ज़रूरत थी वो भी इस वक्त हमें बिल्कुल नहीं है।
नीचे इधर एक पुल था जो बाई फुट हम जा सकते थे उस साइड पे, लेकिन इसी फ्लड की वजह से वो ब्रिज भी डैमेज हो गया या फिर गिर गया, तो उसी वजह से एजुकेशन की बहुत सारी मसले होते हैं।
A joint initiative of Ministry of Climate Change and UNDP Pakistan is working with the local departments and communities to reduce the vulnerabilities of glacial lake outburst floods.
To help the communities in the wake of any such unforeseen disaster, GLOF2 project under the Ministry of Climate Change with the support from UNDP collaborated with the Pakistan Met Department to install automated weather station as the first step to a high-tech early warning system. It not only monitors the lake movements but provides real-time data to safeguard the communities from any potential glacial flood. By providing an early warning, this system can avert loss of lives, damages to irrigation channels, crops and infrastructure.
Despite having the largest glaciers outside the polar region, Pakistan is the 8th most affected country to climate change in the world. To ensure community well-being and maintain ecological integrity, the glaciers and glacial lakes need our attention, now more than ever.
Within the GLOF2 project, we will be helping communities with infrastructure, measurement equipment, livelihoods, so that the communities, men, women, children, are better equipped to be more resilient to climate change.
Preparing these communities against these climate-induced disasters will help protect our ecosystems and enhance the climate resilience of these mountain communities on the most vulnerable ecosystems on planet Earth.